Ooh, this is cute. So it's not like dead people or anything.
No.
So it still needs to be processed.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to catch my ride to take me to the factory. Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have an exciting video. We are going to a wholesale hair factory. I am currently in Da Nang, Vietnam, and I learned that there is a hair factory only about 10 minutes from where I'm staying. So I thought it would be a cool opportunity to check it out, see what they offer, and obviously just tour a hair factory, because as someone who's bought many bundles in my lifetime, I've never actually seen where it comes from before. So I'm going to take you with me on this little side quest.
Yeah, we just wash it. We haven't done anything.
Okay. So it still needs to be processed?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the factory?
Yes. And this is our machine weft for making weft machine.
Okay, so this is how you make the wefts?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
The weft here you can make to the wig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To the wig as well?
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay.
And here's to straighten the wig.
Okay.
The wig more beautiful here.
Okay, and you do colored hair as well?
Yes, of course.
You color the hair here?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
In the back there.
Ah, okay, okay. Okay, very cool.
The straighten the hair here, straighten tool.
Okay.
And we apply keratin and oil to the hair to make it smoother.
So where do you collect the hair from?
We collect the hair from the rural area in Vietnam.
In Vietnam, so it's all Vietnamese hair?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. How, do people, volunteer, or do they sell their hair? How does it work?
Oh, so mostly they sell their hair.
They sell it, okay.
Yes. So mostly they sell their hair in the salon.
They sell it in the salon?
Yes.
Okay.
And some middleman. Some men will buy the hair,
okay.
And our factory buy the hair from that man.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So it's not like dead people or anything like that?
No.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, and how do you make the texture like that? Like, do you perm it into making it curly? Because it all comes straight, right?
Yes, it always comes straight, and we will curl it into So we usually use this to make it curly.
Okay, I see. And then you just perm, it's like a straw, and then you just perm the hair
here.
Around it.
Yes.
Okay.
Curly, and we will apply some chemical and go to the steam room to make it curly.
Okay. What curl pattern is this? Is that kinky curly?
This is nearly a kinky curly, but it's not. It's just like a curl. We call it curly wand.
Okay, curly wand. Okay. Okay.
Here.
Okay, so the hair goes in there, and then you wrap the hair around, and then you put it in there, and then it stays into this texture like that.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's how the way we make it.
Okay, interesting. And then this is the bleach and stuff for when you're doing the colors?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Some shampoo too, the shampoo. On this, and then we will put it in the machine.
Okay.
To make the glue stick.
Okay, so that's how you attach the glue to the tape-ins?
Yes.
Okay. Interesting.
We also have a tip in. Do you know tip in?
Yes.
Keratin tip?
Yeah.
Yes. So that's the machine here. Let me show you.
Okay.
Số lượng 5 mẫu, 11 màu và 6 màu sữa.
This is the machine to make into the tip in.
Okay.
This machine here is to make the eye tip.
I see. Okay.
Yes, and this is to make the flat tip here. You can see. I can move it.
Yeah.
But you can see here.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
this look like the flat tip.
Yeah.
Yes, so this make the flat tip here, and this is our keratin here, all from Italy.
Keratin.
Yes,
Okay.
it's just there's some glue.
Yeah.
Yes, to make the tip.
Okay. Interesting.
We seal the weft into the closure.
Okay.
We will seal it here.
I see. And do you make the closures here as well?
Yes.
And are they like hand tied at like here? They hand tied?
Yes, the closure we hand tie
Yeah.
on the way here.
I
As
see.
you can see.
Yeah.
We hand tie here.
Oh,
For this
okay.
part is machine.
Machine. Okay.
For this part is a machine. For this part is a hand tie only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. Let's take a seat.
Sure.
It's only 28 inches.
Right. Okay. So this is the Burmese curly.
Yes.
It's very nice. And do you use the same like straw that you wrap it around and then you
Yes.
steam it to make the curl pattern?
Yes, we use
Okay.
that.
And do you have any kinky curly, or do you have any other curl patterns that you can show me as well?
Oh, yes, of course. Please wait.
Yeah. Okay. And any colors? I would like to see like if you have like a brown like this too. Oh, thank you so much. A brown color too. As you can see, I am sweating, but this is very cool. And this is the 28 inches Burmese curly. So these are the different colors.
So this one is the color D13.
Okay,
You can see.
like the ombre. Okay, yeah, this is great. This is a Vietnamese hair.
Yes.
This is very pretty.
Oh, we have the mirror at the back.
Ah.
You see here?
Oh, okay.
If you need it.
Yeah, let me actually do that. So this is the Remy. It's like an ombre color. Ooh, this is cute. This actually looks really nice. I really like this one. This is the Burmese curly that I really like, but it's 12 inch. I would kind of want like an 18, but it looks really good. I like this one a lot.
Yes. The factory is made to order. When customer
Ah, it's
order,
made
we
to
will make it.
order.
Yeah,
Okay.
we don't have many texture like that.
Yeah. And how long does it take to ship to Canada?
Canada. The shipping is around 7 to 10 days.
Okay. And is it shipped through DHL, or what shipper do you use?
So in Canada, in many countries we use DHL and FedEx.
And FedEx.
Yes,
Okay.
just two of them.
And do you do V-part wigs or U-part wigs?
Oh, of course.
You do? Okay.
Yes, we do it too.
Okay. And I could get it with this hair?
Of course,
Yeah. Okay.
yes.
And how much are the V-part wigs?
I have to check the price.
Okay, please. Yeah.
We will have a fee to make the wig. So for the curly one is $30 per wig.
$30
Yes.
per wig.
For the straight one is 25.
I'm asking what the cost would be to get an 18-inch V-part wig with 2 bundles, because that's what I would typically wear, and yeah, it'd be cool to see if I like it or not. It would be in the raw hair Burmese curly.
18 inches wig
Yeah.
for a V-part. We usually use 3 bundles.
Mm-hmm.
Now for this one is the wig that have layers. So the total is 224 USD.
224 USD with 3 bundles, and that's for 16, 18?
18 inches.
Oh, so just
Yeah.
18.
Yes.
Okay. But each bundle for 18 inch, for example, is $63 US.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
got it.
So in our factory, in each bundle is always 100 grams.
Okay, got
Yeah.
it.
So here is 300 grams wigs. Yeah.
Okay. And these are clip-ins. Flex Hair, UNIHAIR, Sai Hair, and Cage Hair. I just finished my tour of the factory and that was so cool. It wasn't what I was expecting. It was a bit smaller than I was expecting, but it was clean. The people were super nice. Everyone was saying hello to me. They offered me water. I got to see all of their different colors and wave patterns. They had clip-ins and wefts, and also they were doing wigs. It was a really cool experience. As a Black girl who has been supporting the hair extension industry for a very long time, I thought it was just really cool to kind of see how it all comes together. You hear a lot of scary things online, but this was not scary. It was really cool. So I'll leave the details in the description box if you want to purchase with them, but overall it was such a cool experience. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.